We are at the Pike Food Market, which is a really cool part of Seattle because they do an amazing job at serving the community, both the farmers and the citizens and then the people who live here. We're making no-cook bags. So it's really nice for people who don't have access to a stove. They can come here and pick up a bag, and we're gonna make about 1,900 bags today.
We can give people a 20-pound bag of groceries for 50 cents. That's about our food cost. So every morning, we have volunteers that go through the Pike Place Market and pick up groceries from the vendors.
It's honestly crucial for us. We are a pretty much volunteer-run organization. We have 5 staff members, but we definitely can't feed the thousands of people that we do every month. So one of these events really gives us thousands of bags that we can use over maybe 3 months of our distribution that really helps our neighbors.
Last year, I think we picked up 100,000 pounds of food just from the Pike Place Market.
This is a really, really important part of Kscope because we start off by serving the place where we are. We come to a different city for every conference, and so it's just our way of giving back to the community that we get so much from.
Like you guys, business partners who've helped us come and build programs that we couldn't otherwise afford, like the No-Cook Bag program is a really good example.
Those bags go out to our homeless neighbors. They can come pick them up twice a week. They're filled with a lot of nutrient-dense foods. And this kind of event really keeps us set for maybe months, so it's pretty cool.